Today we are at Universal Orlando Resort in Florida. We have one day to hit 2 theme parks, so we're kicking off at Islands of Adventure. At this park, wizards, superheroes, and dinosaurs collide. I have a map and a to-do list, so come join me on this adventure. My first stop was to ride the amazing adventures of Spider-Man. If you're a fan of monster movies like I am, you should definitely check out this ride. At the Jurassic Park Discovery Center, you can scan a dinosaur egg and then you can watch them hatch in the nursery.
That means we have an IAP or an imminent hacking event.
If you like roller coasters, VelociCoaster has twists, turns, and big drops. Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida are connected by the Hogwarts Express, so if you have a park hopper ticket, it is a fun and easy way to move between the parks. We've ridden over from Islands of Adventure and now we are at Universal Studios Florida, Kings Cross Station, and we're going to check out Diagon Alley. Here you will find many magical experiences, including Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. And what better way to guard a bank than with a fire-breathing dragon? If you choose to purchase a wand at Ollivander's, or if a wand chooses you, then you can wizard your way around Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade casting spells. I came all the way to Florida to end up back in Springfield. If you're a Simpsons fan, you'll love this area. You'll find a lot of familiar characters and locations. The Bourne Stunt Show is really cool. It's action-packed, there's people falling, there's lots of special effects. I highly recommend it. All right, it's time for a snack. Not a Scooby snack, but a Minion snack. Gonna try some crispy cauliflower and blue Minion rice. That was really good. Roller Coaster in DreamWorks Land is a family-friendly roller coaster that's fun for all ages. Since I'm 5'2", I fit perfectly. We also got a little bit of a sneak peek of Epic Universe. There are 5 worlds at Epic Universe that include the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Ministry of Magic, How to Train Your Dragon Isle of Berk, Celestial Park, Super Nintendo World, and Dark Universe. I hope you've enjoyed this day at Universal Orlando Resort. If you want more travel content, hit that subscribe button and leave any questions you have in the comments below this video. Until next time, I'm your host, Jaclyn Friedlander.